On the morning of 2020's historic Election Day, Howard University's administration came together for the Changemaker celebration. The event was meant to celebrate and recognize the achievements of notable alumni who have used their schooling from the historically Black university to make a difference in the world. Speakers, including Howard University President Dr. Wayne A.I. Frederick, reflected on Alumna and U.S. Senator Kamala Harris's historic achievement of becoming the first Black and Asian woman to serve as the vice presidential candidate on a major party ticket.
What she has done is good for not just Howard, but for the Black community. She has shown that Howard graduates are a force to be reckoned with. And she has demonstrated that those who make their way through the Mecca, those who successfully traverse the hilltop, can make it anywhere in the world.
Senator Harris has the possibility of achieving many firsts today. The first Black and Asian American vice president, the first Indian American of any gender and graduate of historically Black university on a major party ticket, and arguably the most important landmark of all, the first woman in 244 years to rise to the second highest office in the United States of America. Harris's classmate and sorority sister spoke to what it would mean for young girls if Harris is elected.
Senator Harris is an example, hopefully, not just to young women of color, but to young women in general.
For Howard University's NewsVision, I'm Julia Weng.